Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And today we're talking all about fun, unique side hustles that beginners will love. So let's get into number one. So number one, you can make and sell homemade food goods. So the US has a cottage law, which means that you can only make and sell homemade food goods in your home up to a certain amount of money. And then you'll have to get regulated and all the things. But a Louisiana woman, she loved making fancy chocolates from Belgium after she'd lived there for 13 years. And she decided to make these fancy chocolates when she returned back home to Louisiana and market and sell them. This is such a good idea if you are a crafty person, if you like making things, and if you like making food items. This is definitely a really good side hustle for beginners. Number two, you can teach a unique cardio class. So did you know that all gyms and community centers do not operate at full capacity, meaning they have extra rooms for people to rent out to teach classes? Take this example of a Microsoft employee. She decided to use her free time to teach a hula hoop class at the community center, and she made $800 the first month. So there's no email marketing, no setting up, no all of these things, just using the extra free space at her local gym to teach a unique class. Number three, if you like making things, consider doing a candle making business, because candle making businesses are really good with trending. You can pivot to different seasonal items, and also you can look up tutorials and learn in about an hour how to make a candle, either here on YouTube or a great site that I like called candlescience.com. Number four, does making resumes and cover letter templates come easy to you, and editing resumes and making them look job worthy? Then this one is really good for you. You can make resume templates and cover letter templates, sell them on Creative Market. You can even sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on PayHip and make a lot of money doing this, because even now is a really good time to start selling resume templates, because a lot of people are out here looking for jobs. And you can even do one better by coaching the people that you sell your templates to on how to effectively land the job, by coaching them on interview skills and different things like that. This one is a really good one if you are already good at writing, if you're a good resume and cover letter writer. Definitely go on those websites that I just named and check out how to sell your templates there. So number five, this is my last one. Do you have knowledge that other people would benefit from? You can go to Wisent.com. This is a tutoring platform. They have more than 4 million five-star reviews. You can tutor everything from Photoshop to algebra to chemistry to JavaScript, all kinds of things. This is a really good time for you to sign up to be a tutor. This is a really good side hustle because summer, kids are out of school. Parents want to keep them sharp so they can enter into the school year really ready to go. So I would sign up now to be a tutor on this platform. And you can look at some of the reviews on this platform here on YouTube and see if this is something that you'd like to do. Yeah, check out Wisent.com. Thank you again for watching this video. If this video added value to you, go ahead and click the like button and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of these side hustles. Okay, so that was my video on really good side hustles for beginners, and I will see you guys in the next video. If this video added value to you, go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are going to apply for any of these, and if so, which one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.